Welcome back to our AutoCAD tutorial series. So let's get started. To begin, open an AutoCAD drawing where you want to apply the rotate command. To access the rotate command, you can either use the icon on the toolbar or type rotate in the command line and press enter. Let's see how to use the rotate command step by step. Select the object you want to rotate. You can choose individual objects or select multiple objects by using a selection window or the Select All command from the right-click menu. AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a base point for rotation. The base point acts as the pivot point around which your selected object will rotate. After selecting the base point, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the rotation angle. You can either enter the angle manually or use other methods, such as specifying a second point, creating a rotation reference using the reference option, or entering a reference angle. Press enter or click on the OK button in the rotation dialog box to apply the rotation to your selected objects. Congratulations! You have successfully used the rotate command in AutoCAD to manipulate your object. Remember, the rotate command in AutoCAD allows you to rotate objects in any direction in any angle based on your specific needs. Stay tuned for more AutoCAD tutorials coming your way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. See you next time.